We have not been to Animal Kingdom in a very, very long time. And so we're very excited to be here today. There's a couple things that we want to do today that we haven't even been able to do in a long time. We want to see the Lion King show, and the wait time seemed pretty long. So I'm not sure how many rides we're going to ride here at Animal Kingdom, but we are going to hard hop over to Magic Kingdom in a little while. So we want to ride the train over there, but join us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Back here behind the Tree of Life, just walking around, seeing if we can find some animals before we go see the Lion King show.
A turtle in the water.
A turtle?
I think that is a turtle.
I don't see any animals in here. But yeah, it's supposed to be a giant tortoise, but I don't see it.
What's that on the belly?
So many people were leaving as we were entering the park this evening. So it's like 5:30. Trying to go to the very last showing of the Lion King tonight. We made it into the show. We got in line at like 5:30 and we were like the last ones in the whole entire theater. So we are fully packed in here and we're on the top row, so nobody behind us. We're excited to see the show. Can't wait for it to start.
It's a day to welcome you, one and all, to the festival of the Lion King.
Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing? Under the company. Hey, you're looking good. Love your papa.
Let me hear you.
Look, it's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba! You are right on time!
Alright, now move aside. And sit up. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you.
Mount Everest. Alright, so the app just said it was about a 45-minute standby wait time. There's a lot of people out here. So, I don't know. Should we get on? Should we wait in line? Or skip it? And they still have lights up, decorated beautifully for Christmas over here in Dino Land. This is the backside of the Gertie the dinosaur over here. And she does have a Santa hat. Can't really see it from this angle. We'll have to go around the other side and see it. But the kids wanted to come over here instead of riding Everest because it was a 45-minute wait or so, and they decided to come over here and play in this big old playground instead. Alright, heading on in. I never did notice that they have these that you step on at the ground just like they do at Jurassic Park over at Universal, where you step on them. And it sounds like a dino. Never did notice those before. Only one of them work. Oh, two. I take it back. Two work. There's a little slide. The tail is not connected. What happened? It's a big old chunk that I'm just missing. Oh my goodness. All right. Going up through the dino. And there is a much better view of the dino with the Santa face. Hello. Alright, we are hungry. I think we're gonna try to find something to eat before heading over to Magic Kingdom. Alright, we got in line for Everest. We're like the very last people on the line too. Because the park's about to close, but we're the last people getting in line, basically just walking our way through the queue. And we're gonna be the last people to ride Mount Everest tonight. And then we're gonna grab something to eat. We couldn't decide what we were gonna eat, and now everything's closed. So, I think we might have to stop by Mickey D's, grab something over there really quick before heading over to Magic Kingdom and riding the train. Alright, let's go! Alright, so we're headed out of the park, and I always think this is really hilarious. So when you go out of the park or have been in the park, you can go in and out this way, across this big stretch here, in and out that way. See all the people's here, all the people's in the other direction. We're going this way. Ain't nobody go this way. So, it's like our favorite way. So you can go this way. This way goes across this bridge, waterfall. No one here. This is where we came in this earlier. Somebody threw their shoe in the water. They did get it back. But yeah, this is our favorite way to go in and out of Animal Kingdom. Nobody takes this little pathway. Nobody. So, if you want a little bit of space, go this way. Alright, now we're heading on out. And just like that, we are now at Magic Kingdom. We took the monorail today instead of the boat. Alright, let's go get something to eat. Lots of people. On this New Year's Day. We're gonna walk through the middle of the castle. Alright, we're getting up close and personal. Going through the middle of the castle. Oh, the beautiful mosaic over here. Then over there, where you check in for Cinderella's royal table. We have done Cinderella's royal table a long time ago. It was before we lived here in Florida and our kids were very little. They in fact slept through the whole entire thing. Pictures of them just asleep at the table with the princesses coming up to us. We had like the latest time possible. It was the only thing that was available. And so they were completely worn out the whole day. And then once it was time to eat that very, very late dinner, we fell asleep. So, very expensive. We have not been back. But there we go. They slept through the whole thing. But we are hungry, so we are going to eat something here tonight. And I think the kids and I are going to eat at Pinocchio's. Change of plans. We are not eating at Pinocchio's. Then we looked at the Columbia and Arbor House. Not eating there either. They close at 9. And Magic Kingdom doesn't close tonight until 11. So they're closing a couple hours early. We walked around. Seems like we're going to our tried and true Pecos Bills tonight for dinner. So join us. Let's go have some tacos. Alright, so this is what we got here at Pecos Bill. They do not take an annual pass discount. I wanted the walking taco, but they said they were out, so I got the beef nachos. And I got the trio, mac and cheese. We got some sides of apple slices, orange, lettuce, sour cream, salsa, and cheese. Alright, let's eat. We are in line for Splash Mountain. The train is closed. We were going to try to ride the train, but it closes at 6:30. Good to know. 6 o'clock? I thought she said 6:30. 6 o'clock. We waited 32 minutes. And the wait time said 30. I thought it was going to be a lot longer. But it wasn't. We got back row. Splash Mountain at night. Splash Mountain is closing forever. The very last day of operation is January 22nd. January 23rd, it will be closed forever and be turned into Tiana's Bayou. Can't remember how long they're going to be working on it to get it switched up. They're sleeping.
What do we do with all of our time? Let me sit. I have something to do with a lot of shit. Computer. Okay, let's get ready. Computer.
Dino's correct.
Stop the show. What are you doing, man? Let me go!
Looks like we're walking the bear.
We made it in the dark. But I'll tell you, the place where you get the most wet is up here. It's not that big drop. It's this waterfall up here. It's on the right side, so where I am, this is where you're gonna get the most wet. Because I'm getting wet! Alright, gotta put my ears back on now. Whee! Thank you so much for watching. We went to 2 different parks today. First we started off at Animal Kingdom, had a great time there, and then we came over here to Magic Kingdom. We're able to ride 2 rides, but we had a really good time even though it was very crowded. We didn't get to ride a train because it closed at 6 o'clock, but we still had a really great time here with our family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now, it's your family time. Bye!